Hello people and welcome to my channel. So in the last video we saw a vague introduction to physiotherapy in Germany. In this video I'm gonna list the steps which are required for recognition process. Again, it's a long process and we have a number of steps to do, so I'm gonna list the steps here and I'm gonna explain 2 to 3 steps in detail in the upcoming videos. So without any delay, let's dive in. Well, I have my pointers ready for reference because I need to explain these, and I'm going to put these pointers on the screen as well as in the description box so that you guys know what are the steps and what are we talking about here. So the first one is German language. Now, as discussed in the introduction part, German language is very much important and mandatory for the medical professionals, at least to B2 or more. Then comes the German resume. Now I'm going to explain you where you can make your resume and how it should be and what it should consist and etc. Third step is recognition application. Now before recognition application we have 3 more important steps and like pre-recognition requirements. Okay, that includes collection of documents. So basically what all documents are required for your recognition and etc. Then a certification of copies from German Consulate. So the documents, whatever is mentioned, you need to certify those documents from a German consulate. Yeah. Then it's translation of your original copy. So you need to translate your copies into German, and the translations has to be done by a sworn translator, not by any general. Then comes the recognition application. So where you should apply, how you should apply, where you should keep courier your documents, the fees required, everything I'm going to explain. Okay, the next step is job search, placement, interviews. Then comes your visa assistance, cost involved in the entire process, which is very important. Then comes a physiotherapist salary as an assistant, as a full-time physiotherapist or a part-time physiotherapist, vacation days, working hours, etc. And lastly, financial support for recognition process, because recognition is a long process. You need to have a lot of patience and there are many costs involved for certification, translations, for your language training, for recognition process. So there are some agencies which help you financially as well, but how? Please do keep watching the video. So as previously mentioned, German language is the requirement for all the medical healthcare professionals. A minimum of B2 German language level is obligatory for physical therapists and other medical professionals. In Germany, Goethe Institute, Telc, Testdaf, these institutes and certifications are recognized. Out of these 3, we only have Goethe Institute in India. But that doesn't mean you need to take your language training also from Goethe Institute. You can take your language training from your local academy. For example, you do your A1, A2, B1 from your local academy. You pass your A1 and A2 exam and you are confident that you'll be able to pass B1 as well. So you can give your B1 exam then from the Goethe Institute, because that is what we need and that is what is the requirement here in Germany. So the higher certificate will only be counted. It's not that A1, A2, B1, B2, the higher certificate we need. So either you give your B1 exam or your B2 exam from the Goethe Institute, pass it, and that's all. So that's about the language. Lastly, I would also want to mention there are certain medical German language courses as well, but in Germany. In India, I am not sure if they offer medical German language courses. If they do, well and good, because back then when I did my language course, I did a generalized German language course and I came here and it was very much difficult for me because I had to relearn all the medical terminologies, including anatomy, diagnosis, examination. So basically I had to learn from zero everything again. So it would be better if you do a medical German language course. If they offer, that is the best. That's about it for today. I'm gonna end this video here and I will see you in the next video with new steps. Till then, ciao!